Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Jaguar / Land Rover of Norwood, we have the 2021 Jaguar F-Type R. 575 horsepower from this supercharged V8, so it's, plenty for what it is. This specific car is an ex-factory press car. So this exact car is the one Car and Driver reviewed. So it's pretty cool to have a smaller YouTuber like myself reviewing the car that Car and Driver reviewed. It's just kind of crazy. Door handle, reach underneath. Very nice interior. You can raise the spoiler up. I think that's once you're moving. Either way. Actually, that can bring it down if the spoiler's up, I do believe. We're driving it in dynamic mode, the fun mode. Auto start stop. I do have the loud exhaust on because why not? One thing I noticed right away is the crackles of the previous generation is gone. I mean, they're there, but they're not nearly as aggressive as they were, which some people are gonna hate. I actually kind of like it just because it got very, very annoying very, very quickly. However, it still makes all the right noises at all the right times. What a noise. It's just ferocious, man. Sticker price on this one, I don't think I said, $104,000 as equipped, which is not bad when you think about, the Aston Martin Vantage is another 50 grand to go for an entry-level one. You know, I actually like that. I have the ventilated seat on, and when you're not rolling, it actually turns the fan off for a little bit. That way you can actually, it's not loud. Man, this thing is just an awesome car. SVO premium paint over ebony. This thing's gorgeous. Fox body. All right. What a machine! 575 horsepower in a car that doesn't weigh too much. Oh, with a sound like this, I know electric is the future. I know it. But I do not want it. This is amazing. And the brakes are just as good. God, this is good. This is almost too good. This is almost too good of a car. It's a killer car, man. What a car. What a car. It's just, the overall feeling you get while you're driving is just awesome. Now, the fact, it's not like I stepped out of a Corolla to get into this car. I stepped out of a Ferrari 575 Maranello and drove this, and I'm still feeling this way. That just shows you how special this car really makes you feel. What a car, guys. What a car. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.